So once again, welcome back, guys. This is our first video on CSS. So hope you enjoy. So if you are in the first time in my YouTube channel, so please like and subscribe in my channel. So in the you can enjoy my latest upcoming videos and all the things in the related to the web development. All the things I will cover in this my YouTube channel, and also give some related content on the programming language and the data structures and all the things. So if you interested in the CS and if you want to learn something about the CS, so please make sure to subscribe my channels. So let's start. So what are the today's agenda? So we in this video we cover what is the CSS, what is the inline CSS, and what is the external CSS, and the summary point of view what is the all the things that we cover in this video. So let's start. So first is introduction of the CSS. CSS stand for cascading style sheets, means that we need, with the help of CSS, we simply design our HTML content. So this is why this name is the cascading style sheet. So it is used to control the style of the web document in the simple and easy way. So simply that the earlier say it is the way to our web page. If you want to some designing in our web page and some type of the designing and some type of the, if I want to some contest in the red color, some contest in the green color, if I click on the contest, hover the contest, the darkness or the shadow on all the things is with the help of CSS is very easy. So that's why what is the inline CSS. If you, and after that the structure of the CSS, which is a very important. If you understand the structure of the CSS, you can simply understand all the things, because CSS is very easy. Some people think, well, CSS is very hard and all the things, but trust me, CSS is very easy and you can better understand, because in the CSS only the one structure follow for entire designing. So let's start with first one, the structure. We need the selectors. What is the selector? Here I use the h1 heading selectors. You can use the class selector, id selector, universal selector, all the things that cover in this video. Don't worry, on the upcoming video, sorry. So here we have two property, declaration. Here is the two property. First is two things. First is the property things and second is the value thing. In the property, if here you can see the color equal to blue. So say automatically in the h1 text I write something, anything, it is automatically in the blue, or not automatically, here writing as the color equal to blue, automatically go to the blue in the my sentence in the blue line, blue color, sorry, blue color. And here is the font size. What is the size of our h1? You can know h1 is the very large, after then h2 h3. So here you can also mention the font size. What is the our font size? So here we give the 12 pixels. So all about the, this is all about the center. Here we need the selectors, and after curly bracket we need the property and value. The after the property and value, comma on all the things happen in this section. So let's start. So first need to create one, sorry, first I create one folder. So here I create simple one folder and name is the CSS. This is my HTML tutorial. So you can also watch my HTML tutorial, and I upload the HTML 2 and 3 videos in the, I uploaded on, and I will upload it in some other things and cover all the HTML content. So you can also watch my HTML tutorial, so you can also enjoy this tutorial. So first we need to, in this section, simply I'm using cmd, and here write c code dot, oh sorry, oh automatically open, no, this is not code dot, is automatically open my folder. Here you can the CSS folder. I close this, and here I simply first I create a HTML, because why HTML? Because we are using the style on the HTML content, so we need HTML. So simply write index.html, and here HTML, and simply here I give the style.css. This, so here I writing the all the CSS files, and here I writing the all the HTML. So here simply write the in here I simply use the HTML, and here I suppose if I write here h1 hello welcome, so he automatically in the, and if I run this, simply if I run the here hello welcome is auto printed on the web page. So if we want to some styling, color is the red, font style is all the things. So we in the help of here I writing the all the styling on here, you can see all the things has happened, and up our web page all the designing is showing in our web page. So all the things is happens. So let's move to our another things. After that I show you how to convert on all of things. The first is what is inline CSS. We have two methods to apply the CSS. One is the inline CSS, second is the internal external CSS. So what is the inline CSS? This rule will happen to that the element only. If you want to some element here, you can say the h1, you write the hello, or we if you want to style in this particular sense, so then you write, sorry, typing mistake, here is the style equal to color equal to red. This is the our text is automatically in the red color. I give you the, if I write here style sti style, and here I give the color equal to red and control S, and you can see here our text is red. So this is all about our internal CSS. If I write some paragraph welcome welcome, then style background equal to, I also give the blue. So here you can say the background equal to blue, and the welcome is printed. So this is all about the our inline CSS. So and all about the inline CSS. Let's close this. Sorry, this all about the inline CSS. So how to use the inline CSS? This is all about the inline. After that, the external CSS. External CSS. You think or might be think about it. If I write the, no, sorry, internal CSS, first explain the internal CSS, after then give the why we use the external CSS, why we are not using the inline CSS, all the things. So internal CSS, external CSS, we use the link element can be used to include the external style sheet file into our HTML documents. So if we write the external is something in not happen in this particular folder, particular another folder. If I want to put some another folder, my all the styles, and it is happen with, it will happen in my HTML page. So we need the link. So if I link the my CSS folder into my HTML folder, so you automatically all the CSS is applied on the my HTML page. So this is all about the external CSS. So we need the one link. This is link name is the link type equal to test.css.href in the href we write our CSS file names. So here you can see, sorry, in I open my VS Code, and here simply give the link. So simply write the link. Here automatically here a real equal to style sheet, and href equal to what is our name, style.css. So suppose if I remove this, so this is our CSS, this page, this is automatically connected to our this particular field, this particular page. So if I write anything in the here, it is automatically updated in the our HTML, this particular index.html page. Let's suppose I remove it. Let's suppose I remove it and control S, and you if I show you the my font, my background color is the same as the I write black, the background color is removed, and the my color font color is also removed. So if I write here something in h1 In h1 simply write color equal to, sorry, counter what, sorry, color, we need color equal to red, control s, and you can see here our color is red. So this is all about our external css. How to use the external css? You think, might think about bit, why we not using inline css, why we using external css? So when you create the one web pages, which is the thousand line of content, so if you write the same thing in the styling, suppose style dot color equal to blue, and here we need another thing, background color equal to red. After then we need what do we need? We need font size equal to large, and afterward font weight, font family, this one. So this is all the haptic process. You can see the I writing all the thing in the single line. I suppose we have 100 line of content. So after writing, this is the very massive things, I writing the css things and all the things. So when new programmer is hired by the thing hire, he is very little bit confused what's happened in this line and all the things. So that's why we don't use inline css, because if we have two separate things, here is by writing the css things, if here is the writing the html, see that this is all the simple things. And if you want to sorry, some changes in the HTML file automatically, I simply change in the automatic file. I first changes some designing, so I go to the CSS file and also remove the all the things and designing the what the changes we need required. So with the help of basis of designing, I simply use it and remove it on all the things. So this is all about our internal CSS and external CSS. Let's write here internal CSS, background color equal to royal blue. So here you can say royal blue, and here is that all, this is all thing. So this is all about our internal session and external session. This is on after then I have also covered the summary point of view, what is the, all the things I've done. So first one is introduction. So style sheet stand for the cascading style sheet, the full form of the cascading. Why we use css? Because we need the designing for particular html content. We use css. The syntax of the css selectors, here is the selector, multiple type of the selector we cover in the later video, in the upcoming videos, so don't worry. And second is a property and value, and here is the property. We write simply anything about the color, back front size, background, and here is we write the value. This automatically updated by this particular selector. This is the inline css. If we use the inline css, first write the style, and after the equal to and the color equal to red, and something this can happen. This is all about external css. If you want to use external css, we need to link equal to type equal to style sheet, type equal to, yeah, if you want to write the type, you can also read a rel, you can also use the rel. And here you can the ref use ref. In the ref section, we give the fully qualified name of our css page. So all about things. Thank you for watching this video, hope you enjoy. If you learn something, so please like this video, or if you enjoy, so please subscribe this video and subscribe my channel, and thank you.